This is fit for a 2011 through 2016 Ford F250. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule 500 XT Xsporter Pro aluminum adjustable truck rack. This rack is using 71-inch bars. It is currently at a height of 26 inches above the bed rail. The rack can be lowered to 14 inches above the bed rail, and maximum height would be 29 inches above the bed rail. There are a total of 30 positions on this adjustable rack, each one indicated with the number 1 through 30. The release is a simple turn knob. However, there is a locking feature that prevents the release. It is part of Thule's one-key system. So the uprights are locked into the bases, and the bases are locked to the bed rail on one side of the truck. We currently have the crossbars spaced at 44 inches from front to rear. However, that is adjustable along the rail depending on your particular application. You can see that the bars are asymmetrical. They have a special air trip design to reduce wind noise, as well as a diffuser strip, which also enhances aerodynamics. Beneath the diffuser strip is a channel which allows attachment of certain accessories. This truck rack does include load stops. A set of 4 load stops are included. Installing the load stops does require removal of the end cap and segmenting of the rubber strip on top. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please click the information icon at the top of the screen for complete details, pricing, and our promotions.